This problem is called Group Anagrams. So here we have a bunch of strings and we want to group them according to their anagram. So let's first see what anagram means. Say we have the word E, A, T and T, E, A. These two words are considered anagrams if they have exactly the same letters, EAT and EAT. Cool. This is considered anagram. But see, let's see EAT and TAN. They don't have exactly the same characters inside their string, so they are considered not anagram. A is matching A. T is matching T, but N is not matching E. N is not matching E, so it's considered not anagram. So an easy way to detect if two words are anagrams or not is to sort them. So we have here E, A, T, T, E, A. If I sorted the characters inside the string, I will get A, E, T. And here I will get also A, E, T. So they are considered anagrams. So how can we group these words according to their anagrams? Say here 8, eat, and T are the same anagram. They share the same amount of characters and the same characters. If we just rearrange them, we will get the same word. And the same here, mat and tan. So how we are going to group them according to their anagram. So for this, I will use a hash map. Map. This map will be mapping. We will be mapping a string. String to a vector of strings. Alright. Map. So, and here in C++, we just call it a map, not hash map. So, we will see, do we have a anagram like inside our hash map? Do we have a something similar to AET? No. So our hash map will have ATE, the sorted. I'm sorry, AET. Let's erase this one. No eraser. Okay. We have AET is mapping to a vector that contains EAT. Cool. Then we go to the next one. T. What's like the sorted format of T? It will be AET. Do we have AET? Yes. We will also append T to this one. Cool. Then we go to tan. Do we have any I think it's ATN. Do we have any ATNs? Do we have any ATNs? No. Then we will group it here, tan. Do we have 8 ATE? This one is group, when we rearrange the characters, it becomes AET. AET, we have AET, so we will group it here, 8. So this is my this is my string inside my hash map, and this is my vector in the hash map. ATN. Let's go to the next one. Nat. Nat is also ATN. We have it here, so we will just append it to my vector In code, I will show you how to do this. N-A-T. Bat is A-B-T. I don't have any ABTs in my map. So I will append this bat in my hash map. So my final hash map will look like this. And I'm only interested in this vector, and this vector, and this vector. That's all what I want. This is what I want to return for my problem to be solved. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how we can code something like this. First, I just need a helper function that can help me with sorting my characters inside a string. So I will call it, say, get origin, and this will return a string for me. Get origin, string str, sort str.begin, str dot end, return str. This will say, if I give it, say, eat, it will return AET. This will become my key inside my hash map, and this will become one of the values in my hash map. So let's define my hash map and my return variable, vector, string. Sometimes compiler cause issues if we have it like this, so we just need to keep like one space. Sometimes compilers are okay, so let's write it this way. Vector string ret, and here I have map of string to vector of string. Good, and this will be called my map. And then we will go through element by element and try to see how can we group them. So for integer I equals 0, I less than strs dot size plus I. Here I'll say if my map, if I have the origin of strs of I, if I have this one, then let's say if, no, let's remove this if statement. So I'll create a vector of a string temp equals to my map of my strs of I, and this one is get origin. Okay, this will return an empty array, empty vector if the word is new. For example, we here at the first word EAT, I don't have AET, so it will create just a new empty vector. Cool. Okay, here I have the temp, and then I will append this strs to this temp variable, temp dot append, dot push back, push back strs of I. Cool. Here I'm saying that, okay, AET, there's nothing matching AET in my hash map, then I'll create a new vector and push AET to this vector. Or push the eat. My real word was called eat here. and the value is AET. Looks good. Okay. The next thing here is to say my map, updating my map of get origin strs of I. It's better to save this inside a string here, sorted str equals, and we can use it here also, sorted str. So we don't have to compute the get origin multiple of times. Here we will assign temp. This looks good. So we took the scenario where if we just found first time EAT, there is nothing matching, then we will push back to a new temporary vector, and we just update our hash map here. Say in the next iteration we found T, sorted of T is AET also. Here I will check if AET is inside my hash map. Yes, it will return a vector that contains AET. I mean a vector that contains EAT, and then we will push back the T inside this one, and then we will update our hash map. Cool. So here, after looping through all this array, I will be having a complete hash map like this one. Here I just want to return the values. I don't want to return these keys. So what I will do is here I will loop through my hash map. First, let's define an iterator. We have here map of string, vector of string, iterator, iter equals to my map dot begin, and while my iter not equals my map dot end, it has not reached the end yet. Here we are just like looping through my my hash map. So I will just push back my value of this hash map to my return variable here. So I will say ret.push back, iter second, and I can increment my iter like this, and here I'll just return my ret. Let's run, see if everything okay. Okay, 10. Everything looks okay here. Let's try some corner test cases. EAT. Yes, working fine. Let's try to pass empty string. Everything looks good. Let's submit. Everything looks fine. So this is the problem for today. Just in order to understand this piece of code more, just have a piece of paper and a pen and just trace multiple examples, and things will get way more clear for you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.